My name is Crystal Rolleg, and I'm a physician assistant in the surgical oncology department at CHRISTUS Trinity Clinic. My father was in the military, and we moved about every 3 to 4 years in my youth. So mostly in Texas. I've lived in Austin, San Antonio, Dallas, Houston, and went to college at Texas A&M, spent time there in College Station, and then moved back to East Texas to settle down. The biggest influence in my life has been the military. I never knew that that was something I was going to get into in my youth, but once I graduated from Texas A&M, I knew I wanted to become a physician assistant. I didn't have the means to go to school, so the military picked me up and put me through school. And then I served my commitment back to the military and thought that that would be the end of my military career, but it was not. So I fell in love with the service and have continued now for almost 16 years serving in the military, and that's a part of my life I never thought that would, develop in that direction, but it has been a blessing in so many ways. When I was a child, I always loved science. So, when I went to A&M, I selected biology and chemistry as my degree plans. And then I got to the point in my young 20s where I wasn't exactly sure what I wanted to do with those specific degrees. And I investigated various options, and ultimately medicine was one of those potential outcomes. And as I started to shadow other providers in their clinics, I fell in love with the rewarding experience of taking care of other people. They come to you with their problems. You're, doing your best in, to try and help them. My favorite part about the job is coming to work every day, knowing that there's the chance that I can help somebody else get healthy and well. My favorite part about the job is that there's a science to fall back on. You make education science-based decisions. There's compassion. There's loyalty, between, trust relationships between you and your patients. They are putting their health in your hands. And so I love being able to help people, when they're asking me questions, when they come to me with their problems, when they trust me to open up about, situations that they're having. My philosophy is, number one, compassion, caring, good ethics, and making sure that, that your patients understand that you're going to do your best to take care of them, and that you are doing your best to make sure that they're getting the best care that they can.